Poor roads and no water. The cry of residents in Pear Tree Grove along the St. Catherine-St. Mary border. The residents told TVJ News that they are fed up with their living conditions and are appealing to the authorities for help. TVJ's Kelisha Williams has their story.
It's a familiar story throughout the island. People in communities with poor roads and no water in their pipes are struggling to make ends meet. Pear Tree Grove along the St. Catherine-St. Mary border is one of those communities.
It is a pain with this road. Let me see now. This road has been fixed a couple of times in the past 30 years.
Oscar Stennett says he has been living in Pear Tree Grove for the past 50 years, and potholes like these have made his time in the community miserable.
If you put in your ball joint this week, by next week it leak out again, brother. You understand? So our expense is much more than the people who traverse closely to their workplace. Like you live at town, quick time you're there work, we have to come from here to town. And believe you me, within the week, we have to repair motor again.
We, the citizens, have to do some assessment to this road. We do the water drain for a period of time and it just stopped right there. We beg assistance, none at all. We even ask for barrows and everything on this road and we don't get any assistance.
The situation is further compounded by a decade-old water problem. One resident pointed out that even trucking water to the community is not possible due to the rugged terrain.
Since 3 weeks ago, I lose a big cow, and because of water crisis. Because we don't have any road for draw water to sustain the cow.
Come here, big woman. And when me a pit, me see water you surround and then take away water from. So there's no water.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.